What would I do if I started from zero? I posted this on my Instagram story today. Should I make a video on the exact steps that I would do if I started from nothing again? And if you don't know who I am, my name is Sam Jacobs. I built a $5 million business before the age of 21 years old. Selling products online is my passion and is what I love to do. I started at just the age of 16 years old with $1,500 in my pocket, working as a lifeguard. I want to show you guys how I did it and the exact steps that you can take. And if you stay all the way to the end, I think this will be one of the most valuable videos you've ever watched. And I'm not just saying that, but I'm living that. I really am someone that I would look up to if I was watching this video, and I think it's pretty cool to see a 21-year-old crushing it out there. So definitely hear me out, and if you guys enjoy this video, make sure you hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, because I'm just trying to grow the channel and try to provide as much as value as possible to you guys. And if you enjoy this, then please help me out, okay? By the way, if you have any questions at all, put it in the comments below or message me on Instagram. I want to show you a little bit of what my life is all about, okay? My life has been insane since I really been blowing up our businesses. We've been able to change hundreds of lives, along the journey. It's been pretty crazy. As you can see, like in this picture alone, this person is about to cross $1 million in sales. Shout out to you, Alpha. This person is about to cross or just crossed $100,000 in sales as well. His name is Shlomo. These guys are crushing it, and we have hundreds of students that are selling products online and making money. And thank God, it's really been able to change my life. Last year alone, I've been able to travel over the world and speak at events. I went to Spain. I went to Italy. I went to Barcelona, which is in Spain itself, and really, as you can see, like all the orders. There's not many people out there that really live what they say, and for me, I always make sure to kind of show that, because the number one rule I always tell myself is I would never want to learn from someone that I don't want to be like. So I try to be that example for people like you. So let's get into these 7 steps, okay? It's really cool because if you follow these 7 steps, or even maybe you're at step number 3 or step number 4 or step number 5, I think it's really cool to see what stages I went through to get to where I am and where I'm headed. So the first thing is, if I started from zero, what I would do is I'll probably find a 9-to-5 job. Anything that would pay the bills, okay? It's very important to have something to pay the bills. For me, I was a lifeguard, okay? I was, just, I guess, sitting by the pool making $13 an hour, but it was money, it was paying the bills. And I was, first embarrassed a little bit, because sometimes, you got to do things to get yourself out of the life that you don't really deserve. And I said, hey, instead of me jumping into the business world without a cushion, let me get a 9-to-5 job. And I did. I saved about 50% of the money from there to invest into myself, okay? I've built up, about $1,500, $2,000, $3,000 to invest in myself, into a course, and then into a mentor. And I really think that courses and mentors are not the solution. It's not the magic solution, but they will speed up the process and save you a ton of money, okay? A ton of money. And if you think you want to do it on your own, you could, and anyone could do it on their own. We have a YouTube channel, tons of videos, but the problem is that if you want to do it on your own, many times people aren't serious about it. And it wasn't until I invested in a program and into a mentor was then I started getting serious with the process, and that really turned the switch on for me. And I started mastering e-commerce. I started seeing people buying products online. And this is a store that we built, okay? This store right over here, the Hula Fit, has just crossed over $100,000 in sales, and it is crushing it. And I'll show you guys exactly how I did it. I, went on AliExpress. I typed in the product, okay? I thought it was pretty cool because this product helps women feel great and lose weight, I would say, in a healthy way. So, I went ahead and took this product. I went ahead and set it up on my store, okay? I got it for around $12, $13 because we're getting so many orders. We're getting it for cheaper. We use special suppliers, and we actually built an entire company for, these suppliers. But If you do have a lot of orders, you can head to commercive.co and get private suppliers and winter products, and it's awesome company that we just created. But we pretty much took that product and we listed on our website for $40, right? That's pretty good profit every time we sell a product, and we're getting hundreds of orders. So it adds up, it's amazing to feel that I'm making money while I sleep. And even on this, video right now, we're making sales. So it's pretty awesome. This is just one out of 4 brands that we have right now. Our main brand is crossing $1 million in sales. Pretty cool. So, this is our website, and it's actually pretty easy to make a website like this. All you got to do is go on shopify.com. You get to create an account. But this video is not really talking about e-commerce, okay? There is tons of, programs out there, and we even have our own program. It's called ecommerce University. I'll leave the link down below. If you guys want to learn how to start your own e-commerce brand, just like hundreds of students that joined this program and changed their life, go on Instagram, okay, and message me the word ecom. All right, that's all you got to do. Message me that word. We don't, really. We take pride into making sure that every single one of our members are, qualified and that are serious about making money online and not just wanting to mess around or dabble with it and quit a few months later. We want to make sure that you really are serious about changing your life and your future. So this program itself is $1,000, nothing crazy. You invest in it and then you have it for a lifetime, and then you get access to our chat. It's an awesome community. It really is. I'll leave a link down below, and also if you want, just message me the word ecom, because we have different packages. We have one-on-one programs. We have different things ranging from $1,000 up to $15,000 for my one-on-one packages. Obviously, because my time is so valuable, it's something that I have to make sure that I am rewarded with, okay? Now that's step 2, okay? Learn that skill. Do whatever it is. It can be e-commerce, it can be real estate, it can be stock market investing, it can be, I don't know. And there's tons of businesses out there and tons of skills. It can be sales, it can be anything you want, okay? Now, after you do that, okay, invest in yourself. You can even go on YouTube. But again, if you're gonna take this seriously, go ahead and do it right, Now, once you do that, okay, build your business. Just focus on your business. I see so many people all the time. They get into a business and they quit a year later. Don't do that, okay? Get into a business and stick to it for at least 1 year and stay focused. There's gonna be tons of opportunities to come your way. NFTs, crypto, stocks, all these different amazing opportunities, but stay focused, because if you focus on one business, you'll succeed. Every business in the world has the big successes and the failures. And if you want to succeed, all you got to do is just focus on being that 1%. Constantly learn, constantly just level up, and take it a step at a time. Just jump in, and I promise you'll figure it out. And if you keep pushing forward, you're going to succeed. That's just how business works, okay? But don't fall for all the opportunities that are going to come your way. Just focus on that one business and double down. Now, once you're making at least 3 times from your business, quit your job. Just do it, okay? It might be scary, just do it. And don't do it earlier, okay? Don't quit your job when you're not making much in your business. First, make money from your business and then quit your job. And a lot of people say, oh, I don't have the time for starting a business. Then don't start the business. I mean, it's your life, no one else's. So you got to be able to build your own dreams, okay? Now, what I do recommend is, as you're making money with your e-commerce business or with whatever skill that you're going to be making with, even if you have a job right now or a business, I do recommend you take 20% of that and enjoy life with, okay? Money will always come and go. I say this all the time. Use the money for experiences, travel the world, do what you love best, go out to eat, do whatever you want with 20% of the money. And the rest, keep stacking. And then when you get to a certain point, you have to start investing that, because now it's all about a doubles game. It's all about taking that money and going ahead and doubling it, tripling it, and making that money earn for you. So here's how I do it, okay? Investing is a very simple but complex, I would say, topic. A lot of people know how to make the money, but do they know how to keep it and multiply it? That's a whole new topic. And that's why I created Uprise Trading. Uprise Trading, it's a group of people who help you with investing in the stock market. They give you live signals what stocks we're buying, and even long-term, short-term, swing trades, day trades, you name it. And it's pretty cool. I'll show you guys the community. This is our little chat over here. They're all making money in the market, investing. But really the way you want to do it, especially if you have a business, is you want to focus on swing alerts, okay? And you want to focus on long-term alerts. So today, I didn't trade at all, okay? And as you can see, I made $10,000 on my trading account. No kidding. This account has about 60 grand in it. So not too bad, and the market absolutely did amazing today. But what I do is I go ahead and I post in the long-term alerts any companies that I really like long-term, okay? Roku, Square, UPST, I change it all the time, but I also tell people what I am adding, okay? As you can see, I added all these companies, and I notify everyone when I buy these things. So what I do recommend is I put 15% of whatever I'm making or from my bank account into stocks, and then 10% into crypto and 5% into yourself. But yeah, we're not going to really go into the whole investing side of things. Again, if you want to join us, there's 2 different packages. If you want to trade, stocks more professionally and join the live streams and whatnot, and get education, then this is the best package for you. If you want to just get alerts, then this package is the best for you. I'll leave the link down below if you want to join and you're interested. But yeah, that's what I do when it comes to investing. But the biggest thing is focus on the top companies and ideas. I sometimes look into the NFT space, but really I just focus on stocks and crypto, and investing back into myself. Because if you're going to start spending too much time into investing, then it becomes a second job. It's not really investing. It's like taking up your life and distracting you from your business. So definitely stay focused. And this is exactly what I would do from starting from zero all the way to building a successful business. And if you keep doing this, you keep pumping time and money and everything into the business, it'll just come back a lot, in multiples. And then you get to put some of that into investing accounts, and then your money grows. And that's how you're going to build a financially freedom life. That's literally the exact process. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please hit that like button, subscribe, or don't even hit the like button, smash it. Let's go. Have an amazing day, and let me know if you guys have any questions over on Instagram, and I can't wait to help you along your journey. Bye-bye.